Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishneel and I will be teaching you Spanish. I hope by now you have learnt numbers 0 to 50 from my previous video. Also, I will be providing the link of my previous video in the description so that you can revise it from there. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Thank you. In today's video, we will be learning numbers from 50 to 100. So let's get started. Number 50 in Spanish is cincuenta. Cincuenta. 51 in Spanish is cincuenta y uno. Cincuenta y uno. Repeat after me. Cincuenta y uno. 52 in Spanish is cincuenta y dos. Cincuenta y dos. 53 in Spanish is cincuenta y tres. 54 in Spanish is cincuenta y cuatro. 55 in Spanish is cincuenta y cinco. 56 in Spanish is cincuenta y seis. 57 in Spanish is cincuenta y siete. 58 in Spanish is cincuenta y ocho. 59 in Spanish is cincuenta y nueve. Number 60 in Spanish is sesenta. Sesenta. 61 in Spanish is sesenta y uno. 62 in Spanish is sesenta y dos. Number 63 in Spanish is sesenta y tres. 64 is sesenta y cuatro. 65 is sesenta y cinco. Number 66 in Spanish is sesenta y seis. 67 is sesenta y siete. 68 is sesenta y ocho. And 69 is sesenta y nueve. Number 70 in Spanish is setenta. Setenta. Number 71 in Spanish is setenta y uno. 72 is setenta y dos. 73 is setenta y tres. 74 is setenta y cuatro. 75 is setenta y cinco. Number 76 in Spanish is setenta y seis. 77 is setenta y siete. 78 is setenta y ocho. 79 is setenta y nueve. Number 80 in Spanish is ochenta. Repeat after me. Ochenta. Number 81 in Spanish is ochenta y uno. 82 is ochenta y dos. 83 is ochenta y tres. 84 is ochenta y cuatro. 85 is ochenta y cinco. Number 86 in Spanish is ochenta y seis. 87 is ochenta y siete. 88 is ochenta y ocho. 89 is ochenta y nueve. Number 90 in Spanish is noventa. Repeat after me. Noventa. Number 91 in Spanish is noventa y uno. 92 is noventa y dos. 93 is noventa y tres. 94 is noventa y cuatro. 95 is noventa y cinco. Number 96 in Spanish is noventa y seis. 97 is noventa y siete. 98 is noventa y ocho. 99 is noventa y nueve. Number 100 in Spanish is cien. Repeat after me. Cien. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have learnt out of it. Please do like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.